Now let's look at the charts. We got a fairly decent rally yesterday. Has it more legs? That's the question on everyone's mind. And so Sudarshan Sukhani joins in to answer exactly that. Good morning, Sudarshan. Well, my late chat with you on markets today, you indicated that this rally could have legs. So open positions, long positions to be taken in the morning if you don't have them already?
Yeah, good morning, Latha. I would say long positions should be taken in the morning. Today's rally may not be similar to what we saw yesterday. Yesterday morning also we said let's go and buy for the intraday. That turned out well. Today there may be gains, but they are likely to be tempered. But today's trade is on the long side. On a bigger picture, we are still in a trading range. We found strong support eventually yesterday at 8,000. That's where we were. And 8,450 is the resistance. So inside a trading range, the markets will do these little rallies, small declines, but a bigger move will come when we take one of these levels out.
Okay, so 8,450 is the level to watch. Sudarshan, hi, good morning. Let's start off with individual stocks then. You have a lot of buy calls today. A buy on Axis Bank this morning?
Well, Axis Bank is one of the better charts in the private sector group because it has already corrected. After the correction, it's in a trading range that suggests first a small breakout that should be bought in today. I mean, we can simply buy rather than wait for any minor breakout. And second, if there is, as Latha said, there are legs in this market, then Axis could be an outperformer eventually. So all said and done, for today, I would be a buyer in Axis. Let me quickly also add something to the Nifty. The first resistance in the Nifty will not come at 8450. It should come somewhere around 8280, 8300, in that area. That will be the first level we'll watch for.
Okay. What about the other stocks that you have a buy call on? Dish TV, that one's been zooming away ever since it reported good numbers. You'd continue to buy that today?
Yeah, market is supporting it. There was a 6-day, 7-day trading range. When the Nifty fell, Dish TV did not fall, it went sideways. That gives us signs of strong relative strength. It's likely to break out, so I would be a buyer here.
Okay. And your other buy, which we didn't discuss, Bajaj Finance. I mean, there are fundamental reasons why it should do well, but is this a positional buy as well?
Absolutely, you got it right, Latha. It's a positional buy. At 4,600, it's on the verge of making lifetime highs, and not just suddenly. It's not a spike. It's been in a trading range for 4 months, and now markets have decided, yes, after this range, we can go higher. I would say more than a day trade, you buy it. It's one of the rare finance companies where buying is possible. Why not do it?
Absolutely.
Okay, you have 3 sell calls. Let me start off with Exide. That's interesting because Amara Raja has been on the buying list of many investors. Would you sell Exide and buy Amara? Is that the trade that will give you money?
Well, it was not a spread trade because yesterday it was in my list also in the morning, Amara Raja batteries. And Exide, so I've not designed it as a spread trade, but yes, it comes out like that. Exide is making lower highs, lower lows. Small range now. It did not participate in yesterday's rally. Lower levels are coming, and of course, and just incidentally, Amara Raja seems to be doing well. Somebody could do that also, the spread.
Okay, Rel Infra, it has been a sell even earlier and had a torrid time in the past several weeks. More to go in the downside?
That looks so. For the last 4 days, it's been in a trading range. Now, this trading range can resolve itself on the upside. But given the very bearish nature of the chart, even if it rallies, I would be a short seller here.
Right. And finally, Tata Global, that has come on your sell list before.
Yeah, it's nothing in it. I don't know. We all have tea, coffee, everything. Still, the company doesn't do well. It's making lower highs. It's a short sell. It's a positional short sell.
Okay. And finally, before we let you go, we didn't discuss Bank Nifty with you. That was after being an outperformer one day. Yesterday was a market performer. Did as well as the Nifty. Other than Axis, isn't the index worth a buy?
The index is worth a buy only in anticipation that the Nifty is worth a buy. That's an intraday trade. I wouldn't carry, the Bank Nifty is not likely to be an outperformer. Unless something changes dramatically, markets can change in a day.
All right, Sudarshan, we will chat with you again post the market opening. But for now, we will make do with these stocks that you've given us. So here's a quick recap of Sudarshan's stocks for the day. Let's start off with his buy calls. He has a buy on Axis Bank, on Bajaj Finserv and on Dish TV. So those are the targets and the stop losses. Bajaj Finance, I beg your pardon. And those are the targets and stop losses on your screen. And on to the sell calls, he has a sell on Exide, on Reliance Infra and on Tata Global Beverages. All the relevant numbers are on your screen. We'll